Hello friends and fans of NachoNacho. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo of our Chrome extension, which brings the power of NachoNacho's SaaS management with you wherever you roam the great internet to make purchases. The NachoNacho Chrome extension works on any page where you input your credit card info. Here's the page for Canva. Once you select the credit card number field, NachoNacho should automatically pop up. All you have to do is log in. From there, you generate a new card, set the spending limits, and you're good to go. Now, you can copy and paste the appropriate credit card info, and you're done. It's that simple. Now, once I press save, this subscription will automatically integrate into our dashboard alongside all of our other business software subscriptions.